Hi, my name is Yogesh and I'm a software engineer at TI. We are here at Embedded Recipes 2026 in Nice, France, and today I'll be demoing the UI solutions for the TI Sitara processors. Um, the UI solution is kind of like building your own pizza. We have the pizza base ready with cheese, and you have the different UI toppings like Qt, Slint, Flutter, LVGL, and even Chromium. So you can choose whatever you want to build your whole UI and HMI solution on top of it, and we support them out of box. So all these UI frameworks are available, easy to use, and they are just working out of the box. You use them, configure them, build those things, and tell us your feedback, and let us know how it works for you. Thank you so much.